Magandang buhay! I am Miss Marie Karnik Dao. Come and join me as we study another lesson in math. Today's discussion is all about solving word problems involving conversion of time measure. Let's start with the story problem. Mary is helping her mother in washing their clothes every Saturday morning. They begin at 7:30 a.m. and ends at 10:30 a.m. How many hours did they wash the clothes? What is its equivalent in minutes? Let's find out how long did Mary and her mother finish the laundry. From 7:30 to 8:30 was 1 hour. From 8:30 to 9:30 was another 1 hour. From 9:30 to 10:30 was another 1 hour. Mary and her mother finished the laundry in 3 hours. Remember that we use the abbreviation H for hour and min for minutes. Since we are asked to find the number of minutes Mary and her mother spent in doing the laundry, we needed to change 1 hour to minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, 60 minutes plus 60 minutes plus another 60 minutes is equal to 180 minutes. Mary and her mother spent 180 minutes in washing the clothes. Here are the other units for measures of time. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 month is equal to 28 days during February of ordinary year and 29 days every leap year. 30 days for the month of April, June, September, and November. 31 days for the months of January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. 1 year is equal to 12 months, or 52 weeks and 1 day. There are 365 days in an ordinary year and 366 days during leap year. Let's try to answer more story problems involving conversion of time. The Martin family went on a vacation at the province for 84 days. How many weeks do they have for their vacation? To answer problem number 1, we need to identify the number of weeks there are in 84 days. Remember that in 1 week, there are 7 days. If there are 84 days, we need to divide it by 7 days. 84 days divided by 7 days is equal to 12. Therefore, there are 12 weeks in 84 days. Let's try another example. Mrs. Sarazon cooked the food within 120 minutes. How many hours did she cook the food? To answer the problem, let's identify how many hours are there in 120 minutes. Remember that in every hour, it is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, we need to divide 120 minutes divided by 60 minutes. 120 divided by 60 is equal to 2. There are 2 hours in 120 minutes. Let's now try example number 3. Althea was a contestant for a mural painting contest. The competition started at 9 o'clock a.m. and ended at exactly 4 o'clock p.m. How many hours did the contest last? How long is it in minutes? To answer example number 3, we need to identify how many hours are there from 9 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. From 9 o'clock a.m. to 12 o'clock noon, there's 2 hours. From 12 o'clock noon to 4 o'clock p.m., it's 4 hours. Let's add 2 hours and 4 hours. That's equal to 6 hours. Let's now convert the 6 hours into minutes. Remember that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 6 hours times 60 is equal to 360 minutes. The painting or contest lasted for 360 minutes. Let's try another problem. Roy is practicing swimming for 2 hours daily within 20 days. How many days and hours did he practice? To answer the given problem, we need to identify how many days and hours are there in 2 hours for 20 days. 2 hours times 20 days is equal to 40 hours. Let's now convert 40 hours into days. Since there are 24 hours in a day, 40 hours is equal to 1 day and 16 hours. Let's have our last example. Mrs. Amelia Chamber worked abroad for 3 years. How many months did she work abroad? To answer the last problem, let's identify how many months are there in 3 years. Remember that 1 year is equal to 12 months. 3 years multiplied by 12 months is equal to 36. Therefore, there are 36 months in 3 years. I hope you learned a lot from our discussion. Thank you for watching. See you again.